Hello everyone, I am back with another Misfits Market unboxing video. I am here with my daughter Tara. Tara, say hello.
Hey.
Okay, if you could please open up the box.
Alrighty. I'm kind of scared because the last box.
Yeah, the last box was...
Oh my goodness. Yeah, at least this box is a lot easier to open. Let me just get this. Alright, so we got it open. Or not. Actually, just, oh wait. The scary part.
Oh man, see, it happened again. The stupid box had a rip. That means all of this stuff
I'm
is
just
gonna
going
be
to take this off.
it's gonna be covered in this batting material. Here, and this is leaking. Just chuck this in the sink. Hurry up.
Alright.
Thank you. I'll get started on this. Oh no. Okay.
What's wrong? I'll bring the trash can over there.
No, I either recycle or compost everything. Just put it in the recycle stuff. Okay, so looks like we have a ginormous orange. Okay, how about I just hand you stuff, and then if you could please just rinse it all off.
Can I just grab like a paper plate and that'll work?
I'll just set it on the table and then
Just wash the
just wash the tablecloth. Okay, so let's see, we've got some
mushrooms,
and look at this, these gorgeous ones too.
Ooh,
gorgeous.
I hope there's yes. Oh, it's a little bit.
A little pear. What's wrong with it? It's just a little ding. It'll be fine.
Yeah, it's
ginger. Interesting. Ooh. I did not order ginger. I don't even like ginger. Yeah.
We could search up a recipe online.
I'm better off just planting it. And then, I don't know. We'll see. Because I heard there's like ginger tea or something. It's like some more.
There's blueberries in here.
Could you open it, please?
Yep.
No, you just have to go like this. See? And pull this out. Okay.
Oh.
Blueberries.
Blueberries.
Oh, this is like the bag that it all. Okay, this is oh goodness, I forgot what it was called. I'll put it in the description. I'll have to look it up, but I did order this. It's a root that you can eat, kind of like potatoes. I forgot the name of it. I'll put it in the description.
Yeah. Okay, we have a mystery box.
Okay, you want to open up the mystery box?
Yep.
And another pear. Oh, gee, look at this. This poor pear. See,
it's hairy, baby.
Well, this week's tomatoes are gorgeous.
They're so red, but they're a little bit smushy.
Don't want to put this crap on the table. They'll survive it, don't worry.
Those are,
okay, could you put this, please, in the recycle stuff?
Recycle bin.
Okay, we have, looks like, at least three kinds of potatoes. Looks like there's regular, like a russet, some little white ones, and looks like that might be a red potato there.
Another baby rat tail.
That's radish. That was the beets that you were calling rat tails. Yeah, I'll probably have these all eaten before morning.
Those are so delicious.
Yeah, radishes are awesome. Another one or two.
It's
yellow squash.
What am I saying? Zucchini.
This is a summer yellow squash.
Ooh, what's this?
Mango.
Ooh, I love mangoes.
Have to wash all this stuff up. Avocado.
And my favorite of everything inside here.
Broccoli.
My greens.
That is a huge broccoli.
It's like bigger bigger than my head probably.
Looks like we have a whole bunch more ginger.
Ooh, a potato.
Potato. Awesome.
Some potatoes. Potato.
More potatoes. Okay. whole bunch of these little yellow potatoes as well. I have to wash all this stuff up.
We also have some more of this.
Ginger, okay, a couple more potatoes, and looks like another cabbage. That's what we made the creamed cabbage
I
out
didn't
of.
see that.
That's what we made the creamed cabbage out of last time.
It doesn't look too good.
Nah, it'll survive it. Don't worry.
There's like black.
It's fine. It's
I
fine.
don't trust it.
It's fine. Okay, so that is that. And then I'm gonna put that straight into the worm bin.
Ooh, worms will enjoy this.
Worms will enjoy it. Okay, so spread this out a little bit here.
Alrighty.
Looks like cabbage, a bunch of potatoes, a singular orange, but it's huge. A couple of pears.
Wait a minute, these are two
Yeah,
different species.
I ordered those separate. The two different kinds of mushrooms. See some more potatoes.
Potato, potato. Oh no, baby rat tail fell off.
That's fine.
I'm just gonna put that right
See some radishes.
and something that's probably bigger than my head.
Ginormous broccoli.
And whatever this piece is.
I just put it with the ginger. It'll be fine.
Where is the ginger?
This is all the ginger right here. Okay,
And
that was all the potatoes.
the thing that we
A
can't
couple of
remember.
yellow squash. Yeah, I forgot the name of that. I'll look it up and put it in the description. A couple of red potatoes. A couple of avocados. A single mango avocados.
And
Those
the most
beautiful tomatoes, totally made up for last week.
I thought they were eggs.
Eggs. Oh goodness.
Because how they had it packaged.
Yeah, I see.
Beautiful.
But that is what we got this week. I actually did ask for very specific items, and out of what I ordered, I think I got the potatoes and the radishes were the only things that were actually on my list, and then I paid extra for the avocados, I paid extra for the blueberries and the mushrooms. Everything else I didn't order. They completely substituted what would you say, about 60-70% of everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
I would say about like.
but that's okay, because you know what, sometimes it's nice to get a surprise. But if you're counting on, you know, if you're making a menu plan for the week and you want to, if you want to rinse that ginormous orange off, it is totally yours, and it's organic.
It's bigger than my hand. And probably bigger than my eyeball and bigger than my stomach.
Well, we could split it if you want, if you think it's too much. Or we could juice it, and then we could have like a little glass of orange juice.
Well, we've been eating.
Actually, you know what? That's
smoothies.
yeah. I was gonna say that's actually for my tiny juicer. That's actually too big. We would have to put it in the blender. We have some frozen strawberries, and we have fresh blueberries. We have some pears. We could totally make smoothies. It would be awesome.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so that's what we got this week. I hope everyone has a great week. I'll talk to you later.